Guys, welcome back to Skillers Swim Revit course. In this video, we'll see how to place the components and change their dimensions as per our requirement. Let's get started.
Before starting to place the components, first and foremost thing is to get familiar with the components available. Take some time and explore all the components in all the folders of different disciplines and different units, and then start placing them. Right? To do so, go to component, click on place a component, and here go to load family. Once you go to load family, in the drop down look for libraries and select the language like English or English Imperial. Click on English. Here there is option for UK and US. Select any of this, whichever you need. First explore all the folders and get familiar with the components available. What are the available components for architectural purpose, for structural purpose, everything. Take time, go through one by one folder and get familiar with them, so that while modeling you can just go to that place, particular place or particular component and place it. So now let me just go to furniture. Here I'll look for beds for my bedroom. So I'll select this one, click on open, and it gets highlighted here. Now this is one of my bedroom and there is another bedroom. So if I have to place it, I have to change the orientation of this bed. To do that, click on space bar. If you click on space bar, it rotates, right? Once it rotates, place it wherever it is convenient for you to place, or wherever you need it to be placed. Similarly, even here I have to place it. I'll just change the orientation of it and place it here like this. Next, to edit or modify its dimensions or anything, go to edit type, duplicate it first, rename it, click on OK, then change its length and width. Okay, but now I just want this to be here, let it be the same way. If I had to change it, say I want its length to be 6 feet and width to be 6 feet. Apply, OK. It gets changed, right? Similarly, you can do it for this or any other components. So now let's see how to place. I need a furniture here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go to architecture tab, in components I'll click on place a component, look for them in the property palette. If I can find it, okay, otherwise go to load family, libraries, English, UK, look for furniture. I want seating, for seating purpose, right? So I'll select this one or this one. Okay, open, start placing them wherever you require. If you want to change the orientation, click on the space bar, change the orientation, click on the space bar, and that's it. Similarly, for a dining table, I'll go to place a component. I'll see for here. Here I already have a furniture. I'll click on it. I'll change the orientation and I'll place it here. For kitchen accessories, I'll go to load family, English, UK, and specialty equipments, domestic. Here I have these many options. I'll select a freezer, refrigerator, open, just change the orientation and place it. That's it. Similarly, you can do this and place all the different components like the washroom fixtures, WC and all, and storage blocks like these wardrobes and all. You can place them accordingly, and you can also place the plants using the components also. This all we can do it in massing and sighting later on. Right now we'll just look for components to place. Let me just show you in a realistic view. And there is a piano here and the kitchen equipments and all you can find here. So what I suggest is take some time, explore all the components that are available and then start using them. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. There is a part 2 coming up on the same topic where we'll see how to place the lightings and the light fixtures. So don't miss it. And in Skill Lift, we offer full BIM Revit courses. Details are given in the description. And also there is a simple quiz on this video's topic. Please give it a try. Link is in the description. See you in the next video.